prayer for the prophecy of the eighth fire. Great Spirit, Creator of all that is, we stand at the threshold of the eighth fire, the time foretold by the wisdom keepers, when the path of unity and love must be chosen. Ancestors of the four directions, guardians of the sacred flame, guide us with your wisdom, that we may walk in balance once more. May our hearts be kind and our minds clear. May we see beyond division and into the truth, that we are all threads in the great weaving of life, bound together by the sacred law of harmony. Let the waters be pure, the air be clean, the earth be healed, and the fires burn bright, not in destruction, but in illumination, igniting the light of wisdom within all beings. We call upon the spirit of the eighth fire, to awaken the sleeping, to inspire the seekers, to bring forth a time of peace and renewal, where all nations walk as one. Aho, so it is.